Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Fresh Baked Disney, the best of Disney Baked Fresh Daily. As promised, we're in Critter Country, and I'm really looking forward to this one because it's an underrated land in terms of its Disney-esque qualities. People kind of overlook it. They're here for Splash Mountain, and that's about it. Or maybe if it's too crowded everywhere else, they want to go ride Winnie the Pooh because it's kind of like a last resort type deal. It is well known for Hungry Bear, which we're going to eat at today. But one of the things that Ian had alluded to when we were talking about New Orleans Square yesterday was how well it transitions with Adventureland. As you leave Adventureland and Frontierland, it transitions beautifully into New Orleans Square. And the same is true for New Orleans Square, which is right behind us here. There's the Haunted Mansion. The same is true for Haunted Mansion and Critter Country. It's expertly transitioned, and what we're going to do to start this show off is kind of illustrate for you what I'm talking about. If you enter, the secret path is heaven for me. It's perhaps my most favorite place in the entire park. The secret path begins in New Orleans Square, and by the time you're done, you're in Critter Country, which is fantastic. So the path starts you off in the Harbor Galley, which is a Halloween a New Orleans Square consistently themed area. The Haunted Mansion is supposed to be set in the bayou, or not the bayou, but in a sort of a seaside. At least the original plan was a seaside area for a sea captain. And we follow it back here into the secret path area where they dock the Columbia, which is actually on its way to port in Frontierland. I'm going to walk you through, well, we're not going to walk through because it's really awkward walking through all the people eating, but we're going to go through here in a second. But once you walk up these steps right here, you are now entering Critter Country, or at least in my opinion you are, because this is where you can now see all of Splash Mountain in front of you, and the Splash Mountain flumers enjoying their most perilous of drops on the path here. I will never shut up about how much I love this particular scene right here. Guests screaming behind us at the end of Splash Mountain. And we'll see those screamers here in just a moment. There they are. I mean, how can you ever get tired of that? But yeah, so without even, this is Critter Country theming right here, but we were just over there in Fowler's Inn and the Harbor Galley where you can get your seaside chowder. It's beautiful, beautifully transitioned, and as we come out, it just gets better and better, right? We'll come out, we'll see some more of the path of the Splash Mountaineers right here. An empty log, so they didn't make it. I'm sorry to say, that's scary. Take a look around. When you come on the path, there's more to see or hear than screamers. There's more to see than just the little return there. Look at the vegetation, the foliage here. It's beautiful. Loving Critter Country themed fencing. You feel like you're in some place where you might find Winnie the Pooh here in a little bit. Oh, where's Winnie the Pooh? He's got to be here somewhere, right? I know where he is. He's back here in the 100 Acre Wood, which is where we're going. Winnie the Pooh and his many adventures. I have to be honest, guys, I'm actually quite excited to ride this. I watched Christopher Robin earlier this week. Oh, look, a train. Muffins aboard. Yeah, I have to admit that I was pleasantly surprised by how much I enjoyed Christopher Robin. I kind of skipped in the theaters. I'm not a big Winnie the Pooh guy. Man, that is a cute, adorable movie, and I enjoyed it a lot. And it was nice to be able to watch the movie and see some of the callbacks to what I do know of Winnie the Pooh, like playing a game of Pooh Sticks or Tigger singing his song. All the little things that Winnie the Pooh is fond of saying. Christopher Robin got stuck in a tree. He didn't eat too much honey. He was just grown up. I thought it was super cute, and I enjoyed it a lot. And now I am even more glad that I have those two the plushes that I got a while back. but it's made me even more excited to participate in this queue again, to sort of feel those feels, those 100-acre feels that you've got while watching the movie. So what I'm going to do now is sort of show you some of my favorite little things here in the Winnie the Pooh queue and surrounding areas.
It's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh. Hooray! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Hooray.
Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pooh!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all those presents!
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Kids just love giving presents.
Wasn't that fun?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Obviously, we did just as I suggested. We're in the fast pass. This is the fast pass key, by the way, for Splash Mountain. Remember I showed you from Briar Patch how long that fast pass queue. I wait a little bit. Oh, Pooh. Look at it's Winnie the Pooh. Oh, bother. Hugs are good. Hugs are good. It was shorter. Still though, look at fast pass. How is this fast? This isn't fast. It's not as slow as all this is.
Just stay seated in your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del banco.
Hey, Bob, let me go!
Where Fox has got his way in the laughing place this very day.
We've got your laughing face right up here. So, well, that's just where you're going.
Oh my god. I've never been that way. I am legit concerned. Holy hell. Just like at Adventureland, where I found myself having too much fun walking around and enjoying the land, I'm doing the same thing here at Critter Country, between riding rides and having lunch and things like that. All those things that we have to do. We are going to take a break. We're going to come back for part 2 of Critter Country tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Know that we love you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow. Fresh Baked. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!